Hi, my name is Tanya Sanders, and I am going to talk about how to navigate to new Google Sites. This is the first video in this series of very tiny videos that are going to step-by-step show you how to build a Google site or build a site in Google Sites, however you want to look at it. There are several ways to navigate to Google Sites, and I am going to show you those ways. There's actually 3 of them. So within the Google Drive, you can create new, go more, and then down to Google Sites. And when I do that, I'm going to make sure that I'm in the folder that I want it in. So if I want to place it inside one of these folders, I will double click on those and move into that one. But I'm just going to put it into this 100% online course materials class. I'm going to go new, more, and then I'm going to click on Google Sites. That will create a brand new Google site for me in that folder that I've chosen. The second way, and very rarely do I use this way, is you can type in sites.google.com and it'll take you directly to Google Sites, that page. You can also go in here and find the icon for Google Sites. Now this way is going to change over the years, so just be aware of that. This probably will go away. This part will probably go away. So this is old sites, and in fact, it's they're not producing these anymore and allowing you to update those as of March 2020. So I'm going to click on New Google Sites, which is right here. I click on that, and it's going to open the New Sites page area. So it shows you all of the sites I've ever done, but all my sites are neatly organized in a folder in my Google Drive. That's where I start. I usually open the folder, hit create, and then more, and then I go to Google Site, and it allows me to create a site within that folder so that I have it tightly organized in there. But for today, I'm going to go blank. I could use a template as well. I don't really care to use any of the templates because I usually end up deleting more than I'm using. So this is where I start with a brand new page in my site to be able to lead you on to the next video, which is explaining the interface.